Hi, today I'm riding through Rauhaniementie, here in Tampere, Finland, a peaceful road in northern Tampere, tucked between green spaces and the lake. The name Rauhaniementie roughly means Peace Peninsula Road, and honestly, it fits perfectly. The route leads toward Rauhaniemi, a lakeside area known for its public beach, open-air sauna, and local community vibe. Historically, this area has been popular for leisure and health. The Rauhaniemi Folk Spa has been running here since the 1920s, offering traditional Finnish sauna experience by Lake Nasijärvi. If you liked this little ride, follow me for more. In the next video, we are heading to Rangankatu, another Tampere street with its own story to tell.